Hello and welcome. Today I'm showing you this new kitchen scale that was sent to me by Amazon for my first impression and for my regular use. I plan on using it. The reason why I picked this kitchen scale is because the reader is separate from the scale itself. You can put this anywhere. Actually, it came with magnets with stickers on the back that you can put on the wall if you wanted to. I thought that's pretty neat, but it also sticks to like a refrigerator. I've played with it just a little bit, just enough so I can show this to you. But what it came with was these two units. It came with 4 AAA batteries. This has a little flip out stand, and then it's got some nice rubber feet. This will weigh up to 22 pounds in 1 gram increments, which is pretty neat. I use this for cooking. I'm a real big believer in keeping things consistent, and weighing your ingredients is the best way to do that. It says that I can take this up to 15 or 16 feet away from this, and it'll still work. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but that's what it says you can do. But it's looking for this. You have to turn them both on. You see that's on. This is looking for the head connected. 0 grams, 11 grams, 40 grams. So there you go. I'm going to give this a try for a few months and probably post another video. It's kind of light plastic. It's not as heavy duty as I'm used to in a commercial kitchen, but I'm going to use it at home where it's intended to be used and see if I like it. So far, I'm very happy. You get a big bowl and the readout's right here, a pan or a bowl or something. You can't see this. So I had another one by another company. It had a wire that you could pull this down and pull it away. But being able to have this where I need it, fill it up, add ingredients, have this where I need it, I really do like having that convenience, and I'm excited to have this. I enjoy sharing these with you. I really appreciate you watching.